Hello, today we'll be covering wildcards that use pattern matching to extract certain data you would like from a table. This is used in conjunction with the where statement. So this is the table persons, I believe. I can just close this and run this again. No, this is from the adventure database that I recently downloaded. So we use it in conjunction with the where statement. Where, and now we're going to look at this column here, first name. So where first name like. Now with wildcards you use a percentage sign to extract anything that you would like. It can be nothing or it can be all. So when we use a percentage sign alone, it's going to give us all the records in this table. If you just want the records that starts with a K, like Ken, we're going to put K and then we're going to execute. And now you see here, it's going to give us all the records that just start with a K and anything after. If one's record that starts with a K and a E, we're going to execute in K and a E, and we execute, it's going to give us all the records with a K and a E. If we run records that end with a K, you can put a K at the end and have the percentage sign in front, which represents anything. Incorrect syntax near, where first name like. There it's working now. So every first name that ends with a K. So that's how you use the percentage symbol in wildcards, which represents anything. The next one in the wildcard section we're going to use is the underscore. So the underscore represents character placement. So if you want names with just 4 letters in it, we're going to use 4 underscores, and it's going to output 4 underscores. Or names, oh sorry, I put in 3 underscores, so it's going to output names with 3 underscores. So it's a 1, 2, 3. Yes, I put in 3 underscores, so it's going to output names with just 3 underscores in it, with just 3 characters in it. If you want 4 underscore, you're going to put in another underscore and you're going to execute. It's going to give us everything with a. If you want something that has 4 letters and starts with a G, we're going to put that and put a G. It can be a small letter G or a capital letter G. Then we're going to execute this, and then there's going to be Gregory with 4 characters in it. If you want something that ends with a G with 4 characters, we're going to execute here. Oh, Greg. That's how you use characters. Underscore 2, use as placeholders for characters. The next one we're going to use is called the square brackets, which is used to select any first names that contain these letters inside of it. So we want first names that contain a D inside of it in the beginning. Yeah. And percentage sign. So D, Dylan, David. And then if you want names that starts with a E as well, then you can put a DE, and then it's going to output anything that starts with a D or a E. And Dylan. And you can do this as well in the beginning and at the end with a percentage sign. So that's how I use the square brackets. So anything that ends with a DE, D or E is going to be output. David E, D, as you see there. And that's how you use the square brackets. If you have names that don't end with a DE, we're going to use a cap. So there, and then so anything that doesn't end with a DE is going to be output. You see all these names here do not end with a DE, so it's a not ending with. And similarly we can use this as well for names starting with a percentage sign like that. and then we execute. So anything that doesn't start with a D or E will be output. All the names here do not start with a DE. Thank you.